So if you have a Samsung Galaxy S21 FE and you're worried that you will get the screen line issue, you should not be worried now. Samsung has extended the screen replacement policy up to December 2024. Now this is based on the comment this user has dropped, and I'm putting the comment here because Samsung has not released any official information. This is the only information I have, and take it as just this comment, but you can go and check for yourself if it's actually there, and you can drop a comment here so that more users are informed. I get a lot of questions about people asking me, should I update my phone? Will I get the screen line? Now the screen line is a defect, so you don't know when you're going to have it. I would say it's better if the screen replacement policy is actually extended. I would say it's better that you get the screen line issue before that day so you can at least replace it. But few things that I have been following, I replaced my screen because of the line issue in June. Since then, there have been many updates. I have followed a few steps when I update my phone. First of all, I charge my phone up to 50-60%. Let the phone completely cool down because charging also initiates some amount of heat in the phone. So I let it cool down. I switch on the AC, put the phone in front of the AC and let it update. Let it download the file, let it update. It keeps the phone very, very cool. Now, I don't know if this is helping or it's just that the newer screens are more resistant to this issue, whatever the issue was. But it's working for me. So if you all are worried about updating your phone, you all can definitely try this. Another thing I'm seeing in the comments is a lot of people have been denied this free screen replacement policy. Well, it's not free. You're still paying 500 or 600 rupees for the labor. But they had been denied because Samsung is saying ki water damage hai, physical damage hai. Now remember, a manufacturer will always try to do this to avoid, replacing that part for free. If they see so much as a scratch or a hint of water damage, they are going to call you out on it and they're not going to give it to you. In my case, I had no physical damage, I had no water damage. I don't even take my phone anywhere close to water and there was no physical damage. So they had no choice. But the thing is, even though the screen line issue is not related to one drop or one dip in the water, they will not give you the benefit of the doubt. So you have to always remember that. I mean, I don't know if it's only Samsung, but it's a lot of manufacturers. The screen line issue is rampant right now with more phones moving to AMOLED technology, because you'll see a lot of Samsungs and a lot of OnePlus Notes are moving to, AMOLED, and AMOLED has this issue, and it's very weird that this screen line issue has been around for a while, but none of these big manufacturers have a concrete reason to why it's happening and what are they doing to solve it. Also, this is for people who are really worried about the screen line issue. You have to remember it's a AMOLED thing. So if you buy LCD, you're not going to have this problem. So I would say that if you're really worried and you don't want to deal with this whole screen line issue, hoga, nahi hoga, ye phone mein hai, wo phone mein nahi hai, just go with the LCD display. You'll be happier. Yes, I do agree that there are some really, really hardcore benefits of having AMOLED. But if you want to avoid this problem, just get a LCD panel, IPS LCD panel. I mean, works well, and you get some high resolution displays and the cost is also low. So that is all for this video. I try to answer some of the major concerns that people have been raising in two of my other Samsung related videos. If you have any more questions, put it down in the comments. I'm answering all comments. Sometimes I don't get a notification to comment, so maybe you all can just bump it up for me or tag me in the comment and I'll get back to you. Till then, like, share, subscribe, all the good stuff, and I'll see you all in the next one.